Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: Streamlabs account, 2FA, and updated GPU drivers. Once done, install Streamlabs 2025 and launch it. Authorize microphone and webcam. You should immediately add your streaming platform, Twitch, YouTube, or others, and grant permissions so alerts and chat work. Then, plug in your capture card or camera and set input resolution. Make sure frame rate matches your plan. Finally, run a quick audio and video test, because clean input prevents interruptions later. Next, build scenes tailored to your workflow. You create a live scene, BRB, and recording, then add video capture for webcam and display capture for game or app. Once added, insert browser source widgets for alerts and chat, adjust the URL and set width/height. You must position and crop sources using the transform tools because clean layout matters. Then set audio mixing priorities: game, mic, system. Tie hotkeys to scene switches so you can operate without interrupting the flow. Finally, choose your encoder and output settings. Hardware NVENC reduces CPU, while X264 gives quality control. Match bitrate to upload speed, for example 6,000 kbps for 1080p. Then enable recording and replay buffer if you want clips. Start a test stream to monitor dropped frames and CPU usage. Watch the stats doc. If issues arise, check bitrate spikes, firewall permissions, and capture card drivers. One key tip: reduce resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.